Open the folder by double-clicking first. Select the first image, press the open button. Now grab the lasso tool and select the eye bag with lasso tool like this. Then go to select, modify and choose feather. Here increase the feather radius to 7 pixels. Press OK. Now press Ctrl Z twice to copy the selected part to 2 layers. Right click on this top layer and choose create clipping mask. Hit Ctrl T for transform options. Right click and choose warp. Now adjust this layer like this. Hit enter. Now hold down the shift button and select these 2 layers. Hit Ctrl G for group. Now it's time to see the final result. Let's see it in the second picture. First go to the file and choose open. Select the second image. Press open. Take the lasso tool. Increase the feather radius to 7 pixels. Select the eye bag with lasso tool like this. Click on add to select option. Maintain the same selection method to another eye bag. Now press Ctrl Z twice to copy the selection to 2 layers. Right click on this layer and select create clipping mask. Then press Ctrl T for transform option. Right click and select warp. Now adjust this selection like this. Hit enter. Hold shift and select these 2 layers. Press Ctrl G for group. Let's see the final result.